Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Central daylight time for the following counties in Missouri, Dade, and Lawrence. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 432 remains.
Alright, so we have this severe thunderstorm watch.
In Missouri, Dade, and Lawrence. The current time is 10:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for Berry County, southern Lawrence County, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:16 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Creeks, streams,
And we do have a flash flood warning for Berry and Lawrence.
flash flooding. Locations in the warning include Roaring River State Park, Monette, Aurora, Casco,
I had EAS
Shell Nut,
earlier, but
Purdy,
I didn't catch it.
Exeter,
Like,
Layton, Verona, Butterfield,
I got the last part of it,
Emerald Beach,
and I didn't end up getting it on video. Also, it's storming out there.
Chino Lake. This warning includes but is not
Some
limited
really
to
loud thunder,
water crossings,
but that's a normal morning thunderstorm.
Highway 39 at Flat Creek south of Jenkins, Highway 39 at Flat Creek near Jenkins, and Highway 97 just south of Highway 37 at Pier City. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Stay tuned for later on this afternoon. There'll probably be a lot more
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
EAS videos.
Flash flooding has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri, Berry, and Lawrence.
Thanks for watching.
Severe thunderstorm
Camera chooser.
watch
Camera.
number
Stop recording.
432
Button.
remains in effect.